See, God never blesses people to stop with them. Surplus is released for generosity, for kingdom expansion, to restore families, for future generation. So when you begin to see people begin to hoard a lot of things, then there is a problem somewhere. See, a river that flows brings life. A river that stops becomes stagnant. And when it becomes stagnant, it begins to stink. See, whatever you hide, whatever you hoard, rots. Whatever you steward multiplies. Let me say to someone there, whatever you hide or hoard rots away. But whatever you steward by the help and leading of the Holy Spirit begins to multiply.